You can see here in this Hyundai, when you press the turn signal lever and you don't fully engage it, you just push it up and let it go. It has a 3-blink lane change feature. It's a really neat thing, one-touch turn signal. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize it to flash 3 times, 5 times, 7 times, or to completely turn that feature off. From the home screen, press Setup, Vehicle, Lights, and the default right there, one-touch turn signal. This selects the number of times the turn signal blinks when the turn signal lever is moved slightly. Right now it's on 3, that's 5, and you can see the little graphic. That's 7. That's off. I like the 3 flash so that when I just tap it, you can hear it right now. It simply flashes 3 times either left or right so that you can indicate to people that you're changing lanes. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helps you. Enjoy your ride.